Hi, everybody. So, one of the things that I really wanted to do is improving my French and other languages that I'm practicing in within AI. And basically, here I'm using Unichat, which is not an app specialized for language learning, but still there's a GPT-4 powered AI there, a virtual character, several of them, which you can interact with. Now, OpenAI introduced GPTs. Basically, they are custom GPTs that you can use in order to, well, customize it to your own needs, personal or business. And uh, so I thought about how it would be like if you can have something like Unichat, having something like these customized GPTs, which can actually be used for language learning. Again, this is just one specific use case. Now, in order to do that, of course, we need the AI to have lots of knowledge about language learning methods. I mean, language teaching. Also being able to have something like maybe correcting the way you actually speak, listen to your pronunciation, which is not available here, but this is kind of another layer that can be very good. Having seen translation in text. I'm going to show you, by the way, what Unichat does in a moment. It's not using this one, but we're going to talk about this in a moment. Also be able to ask, of course, the AI to repeat, maybe repeat in English or another language. Kind of grow with you. Again, as you improve, it will add more words and also focus on the most common used words for conversation. You don't need to learn everything, right? In order to speak well, when every fluent conversation, you need to focus on certain words. So we need to limit the AI so it will focus on that. So again, I'm just mentioning a few things, and it just seems like it's very, very close to be able to be achieved. I don't know if the Unichat developers will actually use something like that, but if there's going to be an avatar for language learning for languages, it would be amazing. They recently added the option to actually talk with the avatar in different languages. And what I'm going to show you is running on the Quest 3 in mixed reality, talking with avatars. Now, you can ask the character to switch to French, for example, by just telling her that I want to talk in French.
Hi Zoe, let's speak in French.
Bien sûr. Mon ami, comment ça va? Racontez-moi ce que vous avez fait récemment.
Très bien. Comment ça va? Tout va bien chez toi?
Bien sûr. Parlons en français. Comment puis-je vous aider aujourd'hui?
Bien, merci. Et vous?
Je vais bien. Merci de demander. Je suis contente que nous ayons du temps pour discuter. Qu'est-ce qui vous passionne ces jours-ci?
Tu veux danser avec moi?
Bien sûr. Je serais ravie de danser avec vous.
Now again, she's speaking French with me because she changed from English to French. There are two separate modes. The thing is that sometimes it actually worked when I asked her to repeat in English what she said in French, and it worked. But sometimes she switched completely to English, and it just doesn't work, or maybe just worked by mistake because she was able to pick up some of the words because when you speak French in her English mode, it translates to something in Latin words that might actually, she can resolve this as something in French and she can answer.
Bien sûr. Je peux répéter. Vous avez mentionné que vous préférez jouer à Elden Ring. J'aimerais savoir ce qui vous plaît dans ce jeu.
Pouvez-vous répéter, mais en anglais?
Of course. I can repeat. You mentioned that you prefer playing Elden Ring. I would love to know what you like about this game.
Oh, j'aime Melina, le boss.
C'est génial que vous aimiez Melina. Le boss dans Elden Ring. Elle doit être un personnage intéressant. Qu'est-ce qui vous plaît chez elle?
Pouvez-vous répéter en anglais, s'il vous plaît?
Sure. I can repeat. You mentioned that you like Melina, the boss in Elden Ring. That's great. She must be an interesting character. What do you like about her?
Rien de spécial. Je ne sais pas.
Now you can see basically that I said rien de spécial in French, but because she changed to English, what I said actually translates to, again, something that's supposed to be English, but it's not. But in my opinion, again, if there was an option, because this is already, by the way, worked with credits, you basically you pay, you don't need to set up any Google Cloud text to speech or GPT, a subscription, just pay for the credits for developer and it works seamlessly. So yeah, so I'm just wondering how it would be like having something like that. You can interact with the character to improve your language learning. Some, one use case, but something that I really want to try out. So hopefully this will be available very soon. I don't know if you're in Unichat, but we'll see. Thanks for watching.